What is Bitcoin in simple terms? Let's get started. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency, a digital form of money that can be used on the internet for storage and online payments. Similar to how we use regular money, but Bitcoin doesn't have a physical form like coins or banknotes. Bitcoins are stored in special digital wallets that can be accessed on a computer or smartphone. What makes Bitcoin special? First of all, it is not owned by any government or bank. This means that it cannot be controlled or changed without the consent of users, and thus Bitcoin gives people control over their money. There is no intermediary bank, which means that you're in full possession of your funds, just like cash in your pocket but in the digital world. Secondly, Bitcoins can be sent over the internet like digital money on your card. But the advantage of Bitcoin is that you can send it to anyone, anywhere in the world in just 2 minutes and paying very little commission. For example, you can send $10 million to anywhere in the world, paying just $2–3 in commission, and no one will ask where you got that money. So how does it work? When you send Bitcoins to someone, your transaction is recorded in a special ledger called blockchain. It's like a big register that stores information about all transactions. To protect Bitcoins in blockchain from fraud, each transaction is verified by multiple people called miners, who use their computers to solve complex mathematical problems and confirm transactions. When a transaction is validated by the miners, it is added to the blockchain and becomes unchangeable. This means that the transaction can no longer be modified or reversed. This ensures the security of Bitcoin. Bitcoin itself was created in 2009 by an anonymous individual or group of individuals under the alias Satoshi Nakamoto. He or they proposed a new payment system in which money could be transferred directly from one person to another, without the intermediary of banks or third parties. Interesting fact: Bitcoin has a limited number of coins similar to gold in the real world. There can be 21 million Bitcoins in total, and not one Bitcoin more. That's why Bitcoin is often called digital gold. By the way, we have partnership with the best crypto exchanges. Therefore, when you register using our links, we'll get maximum discounts on commissions and other startup bonuses. It is worth taking advantage of that to trade on exchange with maximum profit. We will leave the links in the description. That's all for today, thank you for watching and see you soon!